How to extract the movement of a Moonswatch mission to Moon. In preparation of a case mod, we have to cut the underside of the case. And create a little service hole. This will allow us to press the button to release the crown. Once the button is pressed, the crown can be removed. Now we remove the bezel. After that, we remove the sapphire glass. Once the glass and the crown are removed, we can push the movement out of the case. And that's it! In the next video, I will show you how to put the movement into the new case. Thanks for watching.